It's there and you can still hear. And the clarity is awesome. So hey, good morning. This is Jagdish and I welcome you to the Boy of Bangalore, my YouTube channel. Today I'm really happy because today I have received a package which I always wanted. So I'll just unwrap it and show you people. Let's get a knife. Don't. Okay, so I'm really excited, so I can't wait anymore. So I'll be unwrapping it right away. It just got arrived and it was actually, the delivery time was tomorrow, but it's come today. And yes, this is it. Yes, it is the Bose speaker, Bluetooth speaker. So let's check it out. I'm literally happy, and the packaging seems very good. And so man, it feels so damn good. I'm just waiting to remove it and play good songs. I always wanted Bose. Now that I have purchased it, I'll give the link in the description box below. And it was my dream to buy this. Actually, I wanted to go for a big one, but I thought let's go with the small one for now. I've selected the color called blue. It is not actually blue. It is kind of different kind of blue. I'll let you know what it is. So here it is, the box, and the moment of truth. Oh my god. Okay, there is it is covered so nicely. It looks so beautiful and it feels so premium. This is the Bose speaker, Bluetooth speaker, and then after that what I get is then we can remove this, or how do I have to remove this like this? Okay, and what do we get inside? Okay, we get a manual. We get a manual book. Then here I get a charging cable for this. That is it from the box. So I'm just waiting how to. Okay, this is a strap. Okay, so let's start. How do we start? There's a power button here. There's a USB socket here. It says Bluetooth, decrease and increase button, and that's it. I guess yeah, that's it from this. So let's power this on. So just to let you know, the Bluetooth speaker needs to be charged, and only then we'll be able to listen to it. So I have put that to the charging socket, and as you can see, it is getting charged. Hey, good morning. This is Jagdish, and I welcome you to the Boy of Bangalore, my YouTube channel. So it's been almost 2 weeks now that I haven't uploaded any vlog. The reason being, I had ordered this Bluetooth speaker of Bose. So I was just experimenting with it as to what the quality is, how it is, and moreover I had plans to do some ride, but in my house they didn't allow, so I had to cancel all those things. And you'll be getting another video shortly. That is a surprise. I don't know, probably today or in coming days, I don't know. After that there's another video in which I'll be changing my air filter on my FZ, so that is also ready. That also I'll be uploading. So I thought first I'll upload this because I bought this first, and then next later. So I'll be reviewing as I've used it. It was delivered to me on 31st of May, and today is 14th of June. So it's fine. The sound quality is actually, I liked it. Although it is a Bose company, as you all know, the sound quality will be actually good, and that is what I realized. So I'll be reviewing it, and not as a professional one, but how I felt. So first I'll show you how it gets connected. Okay, let's show you. I'm sorry, the audio quality, the video, it is not getting focused. So I'll just, okay. So first thing is, there's a power switch here. If you click it,
battery 90%.
okay, this is what you get. And if this light is blinking, which means it is ready to pair. So what I'll do, I'll turn on my, okay, I've gone to NCS, and before that, go to your Bluetooth, and here,
Ready to connect.
okay,
Connected to B5, BD5, E7B.
okay, so that is my this thing. So now let's go to YouTube and play a song. The next interesting thing in this is that in the speaker you have a strap here. You can see this. Yeah, so you just have to remove this, okay, and you can fix it to any place, like for example okay, like this on your window. This is it. You can see it has been fixed. So due to the strap, you can see the strap here. Due to the strap, you can fix it and you can leave it, and from there, and you can still hear. And the clarity is awesome. Other feature which I liked about it is it has a mic into it, which you can use it. If you get a call, what happens is you'll get a note, like a ringing thing, like you've got a call. I'll show you how it works, and that is the most important thing which I like. Though it is waterproof and water resistant, which is said, but I don't want to test that. I just wanted to show you. Like I don't. It is a new speaker, so I don't want to test that. It is said that it is waterproof, so I believe that. And let's see.
Call from Jack Phone 2.
So this is what it says if you get a call, and you can just click this button and say hello. So that is a good option. You want to cut the call?
Call ended.
So this feature is what I like the most, and you can also use this feature. For example, your mobile is one side, and on the other side it has been connected with with your phone, with a Bluetooth, and you get a call you can receive on your speaker. So that is actually a good feature. So this is what I feel about the speaker. It is actually good. It is recommended that you can, if you are a music freak like me, you can go ahead and get this Bluetooth speaker. And what do I say? It is a bit costly. In the link, I'll be putting you the link in my description so that you can go check ahead what is the price. And if you're using a SBI credit card for this purchase, you will get 10% off. So that is actually a good thing. And yeah, that is it from this vlog. I don't know how it has been made, but I'm not a tech guy, but what I feel after experiencing it and just sharing with you people. So that is good, and that is all I feel about this speaker. It is actually good, and talking about the charging time, it takes around 1 hour, 1.5 hour max to max to charge it 100%. So whenever you get it, when you're ordering and you get it delivered, do one thing. First is charge the Bluetooth speaker, because it'll just have 10% of battery or so. So after charging, you can use it. So it is said that we can use it for 6 hours continuously. Again, depends as to how you're using it: high volume, medium volume, low volume. So I use it around 70% of volume, and it gave me around 6 hours of backup. So that is it from this vlog, and yeah, that is it in this vlog. So I'll be using this on my bike. I'll just strap it on my handle or something. In my upcoming vlogs, I'll definitely, when I'm riding, I'll show you that. So that is it from this vlog. If you did like this video for whatever reason, do hit the subscribe button if you have not already. And if you like this video, hit the like button. If you dislike this video, do let me know in the comment section as to what you dislike so that I can improve that. With that said, this is your boy of Bangalore signing off. Have a happy weekend. Bye-bye.